Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register for sales tax collection in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to open your Shopify store and then go to your settings or admin settings. So here in this menu, you will find this gear icon at the bottom of the side menu. We click on it and those are the admin settings. After that, we will find our tax and collection duties or taxes and duties. And from here, you will need just to click on it and then we will find how all the sales tax collection parts and settings. So from here, you will need just to add your regional settings, and from there, you will need just to find your collection tags or uh, regions. So for example, if you are in Europe Union, you will need just to click, and from here, you will find the Shopify tax services, and then you can add also a VAT if you want, or and then you can start collecting VAT. You add your country exactly like in Europe Union, you add your VAT number, and also you can collect using your home or country registration. So basically, after clicking on any region that you are using, as you can see, you can add an override or anything that you would like. And after that, you will need just to configure them. And now you will be able to start collecting the taxes from anything that you would like. So basically, each region would be different from others. So as you can see, for the Hong Kong has some other panels. So it depends on your states or your country settings or tax collections. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.